Good morning, every viewers. In this video, we will locate different mountain ranges and physiographic divisions of India, especially the Himalaya, and all physiographic divisions are located in this map, in this video. As you see the map, this is the map of India, and in this map the northernmost regions where Pamir note are found, and this Pamir note was the primary starting of Himalayas. मतलब ये यहाँ से हिमालयाज का स्टार्टेड है. Pamir note इसका northernmost point है. तो in this Pamir note, this is the Karakoram range, and in this Karakoram range where Godwin-Austen mountains are found, which was the India's highest peak, but these areas are not in the part of India now. It is Pak dominated. It is in Pak dominated Kashmir. So this is not included in the India's highest mountain ranges. Kanchenjunga, which is considered as India's highest mountain ranges. So Kanchenjunga is here. Mount Everest, which is the highest most peak of the Himalayas. So Mount Everest lies in the Nepal. So this is the Karakoram range, and this is the Kailash range, कैलाश पर्वत, जहाँ पर कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा होती है. तो ये कैलाश मानसरोवर लेक, कैलाश लेक है, यही मानसरोवर लेक है जहाँ से रिवर निकलती है इंडस, और एक साइड से आपका ब्रह्मपुत्र या संको जिसे यहाँ तिब्बत में कहते हैं. तो दिस इज द नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द हिमालयाज, and this northernmost part of Himalayas is considered as the Himadri. This is the Himadri. This mountain ranges is considered as Himadri. In Himadri, all the prominent peaks are found, like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Dhaulagiri, Makalu, Namcha Barwa, Sagarmatha. Means all of these mountain ranges are found in these ranges. Kanchenjunga also. So this is the Himadri. Second range is considered as the Himachal. This is the second range, and which is considered as Himachal. This is the Himachal, and the third range means this. This is considered as Shivalik. This is the Shivalik. So this all of these Himalayan parts which lies from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and here it is the southern part, northeastern part, where this expansion of Himalaya like Garo Khasi Jaintia. Here it is the southern extension, means northeastern mountains are found. This part is India. This here is considered as the northern plain. Here also it is considered as northern plain. Northern plain. This is the northern plain region. Okay. And this part of India, here it is, this India is considered as the desert. This is the desert. Thar desert, and this region is considered as northern plain. Okay. So this region is considered as the northern plain. This is the northern plain region, and this part of India is the peninsular plateau. This is in peninsular plateau. Here it is Aravalli ranges, which mark the northwestern boundaries of this peninsular plateau, and this region is considered as the Malwa Plateau. Vindhyan ranges, this is the Vindhyan ranges, this is the Satpura ranges, this is the Mahabharat ranges. These regions are considered as the Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is the Eastern Ghat and this is the Western Ghat. Anai Mudi is the highest peak of Western Ghat, that is known as Anai Mudi. And Mahendragiri is the highest ranges of the Eastern Ghat. And both are the south marginal regions. So this is the plateau region. This is the plateau region, and this part, this rest part, this part is considered as the eastern coastal plain, and this is the western coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain is also divided by two parts. Northern Sarkar, this is considered as the Northern Sarkar. It is the Northern Sarkar, and this part is considered as the Koro Mandal coast. And this is the Konkan. ये कोंकण है, and it is the Kannar plain, and this is the Malabar coast. So these are in this way. In this map, we can easily indicate the all physical features of India where these regions are found. Okay, and in this region where Andaman Nicobar group of, where it is Andaman Nicobar group, and here it is the Lakshadweep island. So these are the islands, and these are the गुजरात में कच्छ का रण जो है वो इसी रीजन्स में है. Okay, so okay students, you will easily understand this information in your mind, and you should practice these things on the. Okay, thank you very much.